Hello, this is Captain Tom from MarineMax in Venice, and today we're aboard this beautiful 2015 23-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. If you want to get into a luxury boat, to a top quality, top tier boat without paying the top dollar price, then look no further. A few things that I want to point out. We took video of it. The riding angle, you have full protection of the windshield at the seated position, and you have great visibility. That is important, especially on a long cruise. Talking about long cruise, this boat carries 111 gallons of fuel. And when we start at the front of the boat, here we have ample, comfortable seating. And a whaler's first. It's been copied since then, I'll tell you. But look at all that cavernous storage space. My gosh, there's just tons and tons of storage space in this boat. Off the bow of the boat, it comes with a built-in beach boarding ladder and a spray down shower to wash all that salt residue off you. And back, you want a little electric protection from the wind. And by utilization of that store, you've got even more protection. It really is a great design. In here, it's just another access point to that large storage space we showed you earlier. And this is actually a trash chute, so you can take care of your daily trash. Located inside here, we have a very good sized head with sink. And let me show you. I'm not actually a small guy. Maybe short, but I'm not small, you know what I mean. I fit in here very, very comfortably. A lot of space. Comes equipped 12-inch Garmin, beautiful Fusion stereo system, GPS, VHF, and more storage space. Let's back it up to the back with more storage space for forward seating, or if you'd like to lounge back and watch your skiers behind you, whatever you may be doing, water sports behind you, you can do that. And in this position, it can set 3 across, 1 in the back, 4 people sitting on it at a time, or what I like to call the Princess Lounger. You can just sit here, lounge back with a good book in your hand, iPad, whatever the case may be. It is just a really, really comfortable boat. Now let's talk about this Bimini top configuration. For those of you that may be faced with a storage problem, there are many marinas around that have storage for this boat because of the Bimini top. With the Bimini top located in the stored position or down position, it only takes, well, bridge clearance is 5 foot 4 inches. So it's a very low profile, and it takes up a single rack storage space instead of paying for an extra T-top. So it's a nice feature, and it gives you much more shade than you would receive with a T-top or a hardtop version. Back here we have another sink and a big, oversized, beautiful seat located in the back. And notice the depth of the seat. This seat is actually comfortable, and underway when you're running, you've got full forward visibility of the water, so you can see what's going on. You don't no longer have to look out the sides of the boat or look out the back of the boat. You can join the rest of the group and know where you're going, see where you're going, and know if there's an upcoming wave or situation. So it's a great seating arrangement. And just like that, it goes out of the way. Who knows, maybe you want to do a little fishing or need more room in the back of the boat. So then again, if you're looking for a top-end, high-quality boat at a fraction of its original price, look no further than this Boston Whaler 230 Vantage located in MarineMax of Venice.